Welcome to StockSync. Today, we'll guide you through the OneDrive connection method on step 1. Initiate the process by authorizing the connection. Sign into your OneDrive account to grant StockSync access. Once authorized, proceed to enter the shared link for your feed file. To retrieve this shared link, open the file you intend to update. Navigate to the top right corner and click on Share. From there, select Get a Link and opt for View Only. Create the link, copy it, and paste it into StockSync source URL field. The file format is set to auto-detect by default. However, for unique or compressed files, it's essential to specify the format manually. In terms of file encoding, the default usually suffices. But if your feed file uses a different encoding, go ahead and adjust this setting. If your feed file starts with a header, don't forget to enable the first row is header option. Once you've made all the necessary selections, simply click Next to continue.